Kaya mo kayang ubusin yung ganito kalaking burger? So one time nag-post ako sa page ko asking kung ano yung mga marirecommend nyong masarap na burgers in the city. At napakarami sa inyo yung sinuggest na puntahan ko yung lugar na to. So today, itatry natin yan. At nalaman ko nga dito na apart from the burgers, marami rin silang sinaserve na mga dishes and drinks. This place is called Ollie's Burger at nandito tayo sa bagong location nila sa Malabañas, Angeles City. Maluwag ang parking area at open sila magmula 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Nakilala talaga sila sa mga good quality burgers nila, pero dahil marami daw nagre-request ng mga rice meals, pinagbigyan nila yung mga customers nila. Kaya ngayon marami ka ng pagpipilian ng mga ulam at inihaw. Ito ang lahat ng in-order natin tonight and let me tell you all about it. Magsisimula na tayo, hindi muna dyan sa higanting burger, kundi dito sa Caesar salad. This one is very standard naman. It has that slightly tangy and very creamy na Caesar dressing. Meron ding bacon bits and croutons. Ito naman yung crispy chicken sliders. Yung isang order ay merong 2 sliders and fries. And I really had fun with these. You get that chunky and crispy chicken tapos merong dressing and vegetables. Ganon din itong regular sized na crispy chicken burger nila. And for someone like me na talagang mahilig mag-compare ng mga chicken burgers from different restaurants, I would say this is definitely one of the good ones. This one naman is pera, so it has toasted bread, sausage, and crispy potato strings on top. The sausage is pretty good, very light lang yung bread, and I'm loving the texture that you get from the potato strings. This is their nacho fries. Meron siyang chili con, cheese sauce, and lettuce. Sobrang loaded at ang sarap ng chili con. I think the perfect match for this would be sour cream. Tapos eto ha, meron silang sariling version ng Double Down. It has smashed beef patty, cheese, and bacon sandwiched between 2 crispy chicken pieces. And I mean, girl, do I even have to say it? It's awesome. Anong gagawin mo dito? Isasabay mo sa tinapay o uulamin mo? Eto naman yung Juicy Lucy, in which your burger patty is filled with mozzarella. Make sure to eat it while it's hot so you get to enjoy the melty cheese on the inside. Ito naman yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng burgers nila, yung bacon jalapeno. It's very savory and rich from all that cheese and meat, and the jalapeno just cuts right through it and adds some heat. Panalo rin itong buffalo chicken wings nila. Ang sarap ng sauce coating the chicken, naubos to ni na mama at papa. Of course, Kapampangan sisig is always a star, and I really love pag nagkakaroon ng parang tutong sa ilalim. That's the best part. And like I said kanina, meron din silang iba't ibang klase ng inihaw. Meron tayo ditong atay, balun-balunan, pork, and isaw. Although I wish the pork was a little bit more tender, pero ang sarap ng homemade barbecue sauce nila. It's just a little sweet and very smoky. Meron din silang tokwat baboy. Ito, sobrang approve yan kay mama. Meron din tayong crispy kare-kare. It's very standard naman and I actually enjoyed it. Meron din siyang kasamang bagoong. Diet daw si mama, so hindi kami nag-order ng kanin, pero sa mga hindi nagda-diet dyan, nako, mapapa-extra rice kayo sa mga ulam na to. This naman is what they call spicy tofu, pero actually I would describe it as sweet and spicy. And finally, eto yung kanilang all-in-one burger. Kita nyo naman, sobrang laki. It has a lot of cheese, bacon, smashed beef patties, chicken, tapos parang meron pang pork belly, and meron ding egg. Kaya mo kayang ubusin to in 5 minutes? Or actually, meron bang kayang umubos nito? Apart from all of that, marami rin silang mga drinks. This super pretty and glittery na drink is called Galaxy at yung isa naman ay Blue Lagoon. And then meron din silang mga coffee-based drinks para sa mga mahilig magkape after kumain. And then eto naman is parang Oreo milkshake, and then the other one is parang strawberry flavored soda. At nakita nyo naman, sobrang dami ng pagpipilian sa mga food nila. Mula sa mga nagsasarapang burgers hanggang sa rice meals. So kung wala pa kayong pupuntahan ngayong weekend, i-try nyo na ang Ollie's Burger and enjoy!